Okay, I'm tuned to open A, and we're plugged into the Kasino. It's on, and you can hear it's very clear. That's the bridge pickup, both, and here's the neck. And I got the treble turned way down. Okay,